Welcome to the Amphenol Broadband Solutions product training on the PRM connector. In this product training, we'll show the tools required to install the PRM connector, and we'll show the PRM connector installation steps. The tools required for the PRM connector installation are generic wire strippers and a crimp tool, either the Burndy Y8 MRB-1 or the Daniels M300BT. Let's go over the installation steps. First, strip the wire back to approximately 7/16 of an inch. Next, slide the connector terminal onto the exposed wire end and crimp the terminal using either the Burndy Y8 MRB-1 or the Daniels M300BT crimp tool. Then insert the contact terminal into the connector body until you hear an audible click and feel the contacts snap into place. Next, we're ready to install the retaining clip. Insert the large end with the tabs into the connector body. Fit the retaining clip between the wires and push the retainer clip until the hook snaps into place. An audible snap should be heard. The installation is now complete. Let's review what we've covered in this product training on the PRM connector. We showed the tools required to install the PRM connector and showed the PRM connector installation steps. Thank you for viewing this training on the PRM connector. For additional training topics, see our website at www.amphenolbroadband.com.